STMicroelectronics NV stock upgraded from hold, accumulate to buy candidate after Tuesday trading session. Updated on December 08, 2020, buy or hold candidate since the 4th of November 2020 gain 25.82%. The STMicroelectronics NV stock price fell by -1.00% on the last day, Tuesday, 8th of December 2020, from $41.99 to $41.57. During the day the stock fluctuated 1.48% from a day low at $41.10 to a day high of $41.71. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.82% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 573,000 shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $79.25 million. The stock lies in the upper part of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $42.15 will firstly indicate a strong rate of rising. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 30.29% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $45.06 and $54.91 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. The STMicroelectronics NV stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $41.09 and $35.68. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, December 7, 2020, and so far it has fallen -1.00%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Support, risk and stop loss. STMicroelectronics NV finds support from accumulated volume at $41.40 and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. $41.40, $41.57, $41.76. This stock may move much during a day. Volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 61 cents between high and low, or 1.48%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.62%. The STMicroelectronics NV stock is overbought on C14 and lies in the upper part of the trend. Normally this may pose a good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, but some stocks may go long and hard while being overbought. Regardless, the high RSI together with the trend position increases the risk and higher daily movements. Volatility should be expected. A correction down in the nearby future seems very likely, and it is of great importance that the stock manages to break the trend before that occurs. Our recommended stop loss, $40.46, minus 2.66%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The C14 is 86 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is STMicroelectronics NV stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for STMicroelectronics NV stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold, accumulate to a buy candidate. Current score, 1.087. Predicted opening price for STMicroelectronics NV of Wednesday, December 9, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 9, 2020. Current price $41.46, $41.57, overvalued. Buy candidate. Upgraded analyst ratings. Canaccord Genuity is very positive to STM and gave it a buy rating on October 23, 2020. The price target was set to $36.47.